After age 70, your joint cartilage is more than just a body part. It is the vital asset that determines your freedom of movement every single day. Have you spent significant resources on solutions only to find the discomfort still lingers? It is time to stop the cycle of temporary fixes and find lasting comfort. Today, we share a specialized approach based on reputable research that points back to your own kitchen for the answer to supporting your worn-down joint cartilage naturally. The research identifies 6 powerful roots that act as nature's gold, providing supportive properties and nutritional building blocks that complement many approaches available on the market. As we age, our bodies may struggle to maintain the cushion between our bones, leading to the stiffness and chronic discomfort that restricts your daily life and joy. We are about to decode these 6 golden roots that possess the incredible ability to support natural collagen production and soothe the effects of chronic joint discomfort. These aren't just common vegetables. They are concentrated sources of nutrients that have been hidden in plain sight, waiting for you to unlock their true potential. Prepare yourself for a journey into the science of wellness, where we combine traditional knowledge with modern studies to support your strength and your mobility. Your journey to walking comfortably starts now, as we reveal the secrets of the Earth's most potent roots for total joint cartilage maintenance and support. Understanding how these roots work at a molecular level is key to their effectiveness. Science shows they target specific enzymes that affect our joint tissue. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food suggests that specific plant compounds can support the joint capsule to provide real, lasting comfort. These molecules act like biological shields, supporting your remaining cartilage from further stress while creating a positive environment for natural cell maintenance. Coming in at number 6 is the mighty ginger. According to researchers, it helps manage the enzymes responsible for joint discomfort by over 40%. A simple cup of ginger tea in the morning can act as a natural support for your joints, significantly reducing that frustrating morning stiffness we all face. Adding a touch of raw honey enhances the flavor and adds extra antioxidants, creating a beneficial morning ritual that prepares your body for a day of activity. The warmth from ginger stimulates blood circulation, ensuring that supporting nutrients reach the smallest capillaries around your joints to begin the protection process from within. Consistency is the secret to ginger's power. By incorporating it daily, you provide your body with a constant supply of natural comfort compounds for daily wellness. Number 5 is the legendary turmeric. Often called the king of spices, its active compound, curcumin, is one of the most studied supportive compounds in existence. But here is the golden secret. You should combine turmeric with black pepper. The piperine in pepper increases curcumin absorption by a staggering 2,000%. Without black pepper, most of the turmeric's potential may not be fully utilized. Together, they form a powerful duo that targets discomfort and helps support the cartilage matrix. You can enjoy this golden spice in soups, curries, or even as a warm latte. It is a delicious way to flood your body with supportive nutrients. Regular intake of turmeric has been shown to offer support comparable to some common methods, but with the added benefit of promoting overall cellular health. By managing the inflammatory load, turmeric allows your body's natural maintenance mechanisms to work more effectively for your joint cartilage. Our journey continues deep into the earth, where roots draw their strength from the minerals of the soil to provide us with valuable nutritional benefits. Root number 4 is the purple sweet potato. Far more than just a source of energy, its deep purple color is a sign of immense supportive power. This vibrant color comes from anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that help manage the free radicals that can affect your cartilage cells. By neutralizing oxidative stress, purple sweet potatoes act like a protective shield, supporting the proteins that make up your joint structure. Replacing white bread or refined grains with this root provides your joints with the long-term protection they need to stay flexible as you move through life. The science is clear. Consuming more antioxidants helps support your joints as you age. Purple sweet potatoes are one of the best sources on Earth. Next, we have root number 3, garlic. Known as a culinary staple, it is also a powerful guardian of your skeletal and connective tissue health. Chopping garlic finely is essential to trigger its supportive properties. Let the chopped garlic sit for 10 minutes to allow the beneficial allicin compound to fully form. Researchers found that garlic contains compounds that help manage the enzymes which affect the protein matrix of your cartilage as you age. Garlic doesn't just add flavor. It provides the sulfur your body needs to maintain healthy connective tissues and resilient joint cartilage. By supporting these microscopic links, garlic helps your joints handle the pressure of movement, making every step feel more stable and manageable. Make garlic a daily habit. Its ability to support circulation and manage inflammation makes it a great tool for anyone over 70 seeking physical freedom. We have seen the power of ginger, turmeric, sweet potatoes, and garlic. But the top two kings of joint support are still to come in our list. The final two roots are highly potent for those looking to manage long-term joint issues that have previously seemed difficult to address with standard approaches. Number 2 is Galangal. Often confused with ginger, this root contains a unique compound called Galangal that is specifically helpful for joint discomfort. Galangal has been shown to support the pathways that manage chronic inflammation, providing a new level of comfort for seniors. Its flavor is citrusy and earthy, and its impact on your mobility can be very positive. It works within the joints to soothe long-standing aches and discomfort. This root is a valuable addition for those who feel they have tried many other options. It targets inflammation at its source, allowing for a more efficient recovery period. Incorporating galangal into your soups or teas can provide the extra boost your body needs to better manage the effects of aging on your joints. And finally, the king of all roots for joint health, the beetroot. This vibrant red miracle is the ultimate fuel for your joint maintenance and support. Beetroot is packed with nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This molecule helps support healthy blood flow, increasing the delivery of oxygen. Better blood flow means that the building blocks of collagen can effectively reach the areas of your joints, ensuring every part of you receives nourishment. But that's not all. Beetroot contains betalains, which are essential raw materials that your body uses to support its own collagen production after age 70. By drinking beetroot juice, you aren't just taking a supplement. You are providing your body with the materials it needs to maintain itself from the inside. This process of natural collagen synthesis helps maintain the cushion between your bones, allowing you to move with greater ease and fluidity. Beetroot is the missing piece of the puzzle. It combines improved circulation with the necessary building blocks for total joint cartilage maintenance and long-term health. Knowing these 6 roots is the first step, but the real benefit happens when you know how to combine them for maximum impact and absorption. We have developed a specific recovery soup recipe that blends turmeric, garlic, ginger, and beetroot into a delicious, supportive elixir for your joints and health. This soup is designed to be easily digestible, ensuring that the senior body can absorb the supportive compounds found in these roots. Timing is everything. Consuming these roots between 7 and 8 in the morning activates your metabolism and prepares your joints for movement. A second serving in the evening, around 6 p.m., provides your body with the necessary materials to perform its natural maintenance work while you sleep. Remember to eat slowly and chew each bite carefully. Digestion begins in the mouth, and this is crucial for breaking down the fibers of these roots. By optimizing your digestion, you ensure that these golden nutrients are well utilized, maximizing the supportive potential for your joints every day. This simple daily protocol, beetroot juice in the morning and a nutritious soup in the evening, is your path to a life with less burden of discomfort. Your age is just a number. With the right fuel from nature, your body has an incredible capacity to maintain itself, even after the age of 70. Don't let another day pass in discomfort. The answers you have been looking for are growing in the earth, waiting to support your freedom of movement. Imagine waking up with less stiffness, walking to the store with ease, and playing with your grandchildren comfortably. This future is possible for you. Take the first step today. Visit your local market. Gather these 6 golden roots and begin your journey toward a life of vibrant health and movement. 70 is not the end of your story. It is the beginning of a new, more conscious chapter where you take control of your own well-being. Join our community of health-conscious seniors Subscribe now to receive more science-based tips and natural remedies that will help you thrive at any age. We are here to support your journey to health. Let nature be your support, and let today be the day you choose to live comfortably.